Alam nyo naman ako, hindi ba lango-lango, kuya. Mas galit ako, lango-lango.
So, ito'y bugso ng damdamin. Ganun ba, Attorney Rowena?
You know what, why my line of, my mental process is different from most people kasi I'm very extemporaneous, di ba? Yung PGMN ko nga ng mga episodes, walang script yun eh. So, I'm really, my mind really works differently. So, everything, when I say something, pati yung humor ko pumapasok and everything. Okay. That altercation, when he told me to leave because I was coughing, he said he should not be in the mall. And I told him, if you are sick, you should not be here in the mall. I think you should apologize to me because, people there knew me. This is Rockwell Mall. People know each other. Jutay mo lang kami da. Mostly retired people. So, then he said na, why you cannot afford to buy a mask? Oh my gosh. Noon talaga. Tsaka if you see his face, in-check talaga siya. Ako in-check din, Actually, I'm here in Molo because this is my ancestral place. I used to be Parian. I'm one-fourth Chinese. Chinese talaga siya. He looked like a foreigner. So, sinabi ko sa kanya, how dare you? How dare you? Yung tingin pa sa akin, head to toe, talagang umakyat ang dugo ko. My blood pressure that night was 180 over 110. When I went to the security office, the medics assisted me there. It took them 30 minutes para mapababa yung blood pressure ko. Yan yung trigger dyan when I said na, pobre ka. Mata pobre ka. And you're not even wearing a Rolex. You're not even wearing a Gucci. That's the context. Because I don't, lalo na ako, di ba? You notice, hindi naman ako, I don't show off, di ba? I mean, I like to be around people nga na I'm just wearing t-shirts and all that. Yeah, but I do own Rolex, several.
Okay.
Yun ang ko na mata pobre ka. Tapos itsura niya, hindi, alam mo yung mga mata pobre, di ba, mayayaman yun or feeling mayayaman. Yung tunay na mayayaman naman talaga, hindi yan sila mga mata pobre because,
so, Attorney Gonzon, yun nga po kayo dinala sa...
Tapos itong what's his name, yung kalbo na sinong pangalan gani, si Llamas. Sol man siya, sama-sama siya sa comment para sumikat siya. Sabi niya, ay bumaba ang low self-esteem ko kasi wala akong Rolex at Gucci. My Ilonggo, they can understand me why I'm so angry at people like that.
Attorney...
Yun ang sinasabi niyo, ako pa ngayon ang matapobre, ako pa ang pretensyosa. Alam niyo naman lahat, di ba, na hindi naman ako pinanganak na pobre,
Okay, Attorney...
I'm not using that as a weapon against anyone. I never oppressed anybody because of their class or status, di ba? Siya sali-sali pa siya sa usapan na parang kala mo malinis siya. Huwag ka na nga sumali dito, Llamas, baka lumabas ang baho mo.
Attorney Guanzon.